got up at 6:30 or about 7 actually, probably within the hour of 7, and we've come out on a boat trip. We're in Lanzarote, or we are at the time of filming, but by the time I upload this it'll be after holiday. We're out on a boat trip. We're hoping to see some wildlife. We're hoping we might see dolphins. There's a chance of hammerhead sharks. I don't know whether there's a chance of whales. I've already seen 4 flying fish. So the fish that like fly across the top of the water, the top of the sea. And yeah, we've been on here probably about over an hour now. I hope you guys are all doing well. How are you guys, by the way? How are you? Feel free to feel encouraged to leave comments saying how you are and how you're doing and what you've been doing and everything lately in the comments. Gotta be careful not to get anyone else on film here. Don't know what island that is out there, but yeah, there's an island or there's some land out there of some sort.